Welcome to Monarch, an online homeschool curriculum from Alpha Omega Publications. In Monarch 3rd grade science, your students will study units that cover general science topics like You, Grow, and Change, Animals, Growth and Change, Properties of Matter, Time and Seasons, Heat Energy, and much more. Now let's take a look at a 3rd grade science lesson to see how concepts like these are covered. In a unit entitled Plants, let's look at a lesson called Plant Parts. Most Monarch lessons begin with a brief introduction and a list of objectives for the lesson. These objectives help students stay focused on important lesson content and provide parents with an effective way to measure mastery of lesson content. At the beginning of most lessons, your students will also encounter a list of vocabulary words that will be used throughout the lesson. Click the icon next to each word to hear the correct pronunciation.
Celery, microscope, peas.
Vocabulary words may be included in many quizzes and tests, so students should pay special attention to these important words. Many lessons include small instructional videos, sometimes called tiny tutors. The teachers featured in these small video clips provide special instructions, additional information, and important tips for students.
The sun shines on plants, and plants are kind of where it all starts as far as food is concerned. As the plant uses the sunlight to manufacture food for itself, it also stores up food in its leaves and its seeds and stems and roots. You'll learn more about this in this lesson, but if it weren't for plants, we wouldn't be able to stay alive.
A variety of audio-visual presentations, including videos, slideshows, and animations, provide reinforcement of lesson content. Animations like this one may help your students better understand difficult concepts.
In this animation, notice the red coloring moving up through the plant. This represents the water and minerals moving through the plant as the roots take them up. The tiny tubes in the stem transport them to the upper parts of the plant. And finally, they make their way to the leaves, where food is manufactured for the plant.
More than 25,000 engaging multimedia activities have been included in Monarch lessons and are designed to engage student interest and bring learning to life. The addition of these interactive activities encourages learning by allowing students to become actively involved in the lesson presentation. Let's look at an example that has been included in this lesson.
Yuck! Am I really eating roots, stems, and leaves?
Hi, I'm corn. I'm a seed. Hi, I'm a carrot. I am a root.
Hi, I'm lettuce. I'm a leaf.
Hello, I'm celery. I'm a stem.
After completing the first section of lesson text, the student can continue on to the next section of the lesson, reading the text and utilizing the included multimedia. In some lessons, students are given the opportunity to review and reinforce what they've learned with fun games like Farmer Frank and All Right. Let's take a look at an example. At the end of the lesson, the student is presented with a series of questions that provide a review of lesson content. Questions are presented in a variety of formats, including matching, fill in the blank, true and false, sequencing, multiple choice, multiple select, click and place, essay questions, and many more. 85 to 90% of student work is graded instantly by the program. Answers are automatically saved as the student works through the questions, and immediate feedback is given after each question has been answered. If a parent has set the program to allow for multiple attempts, students will be looped back through the lesson to answer questions that were marked wrong on the first attempt. When the student has every question correct or has exhausted all allowed attempts, he can click the Mark Lesson as Complete button to return to the Monarch Student Schoolwork area.